Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify CSV encoding issues in Google Sheets before loading. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Sheets in your web browser. Create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Locate the menu at the top of the screen. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the option Import from the drop-down. In the Import window, choose the option to upload a CSV file. Drag and drop your CSV file or click on Select a file from your device to browse. After selecting your file, click Open to begin the import process. In the next window, select Replace Spreadsheet to clear any existing data. Next, you will see options for character encoding. Ensure that the character encoding dropdown is set to automatic. If your data appears scrambled or incorrect, you may need to try different encodings. Test a few options like UTF-8, ISO 8859-1, or Windows 1252. After making your selection, review the sample data displayed. Look for any unexpected characters or formatting issues. If adjustments are needed, continue to modify the character encoding. Once everything looks correct, proceed by clicking on Import Data. After the import is complete, check your spreadsheet for accuracy. Examine the data thoroughly for any lingering encoding issues. Consider making notes of any characters that did not appear correctly. If issues persist, you may need to adjust the original CSV file in a text editor. Use a program like Notepad or TextEdit to find and replace problematic characters. Resave the file with the correct encoding if necessary. Re-import the CSV file into Google Sheets using the steps previously outlined. Verify the data once more to ensure all issues have been resolved. You should now have a clean, correctly encoded CSV ready for use in Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.